Hey everyone, I'm Meredith, Community Manager at Oasis Foundation. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave us a comment. Welcome to episode 2 of Oasis Insights, a monthly video series where we take the very best questions from the community and answer them. This month is all about the Sapphire ParaTime. Question 1. What is Sapphire and why is privacy on the blockchain so groundbreaking? Sapphire is an EVM developer environment. This means that Solidity developers, or those who have built on EVM chains before, will be totally at home building on Sapphire. What makes it groundbreaking is these developers will be able to build confidential dApps with confidential smart contracts. This is the first and only confidential EVM runtime in the industry. By using Oasis's renowned privacy-preserving technology in an EVM environment, many developers can easily build dApps that will be empowered by privacy and work in a Web3 world. Before Sapphire, developers would have to start from scratch if they wanted to enable confidentiality in their dApps. Now they can code in Solidity and create confidential smart contracts. Question 2. What can you build on Sapphire? The better question is, what can't you build on Sapphire? Sapphire opens up a new Web3 world for Solidity developers to create confidential dApps. There are several areas where Sapphire can help scale blockchain into Web3, such as DeFi, gaming, NFTs, and decentralized identity, and social platforms. With Sapphire, you can unlock new use cases like private lending and under-collateralized loans. Users are safe knowing that if they upload identity data, such as their credit scores, on a Sapphire dApp, they won't be exposing that information publicly. This then allows them to apply for under-collateralized loans, as the lender can now place more trust in the borrower because they've passed a credit score check without exposing the actual score. You can also build out decentralized identity solutions on Sapphire, which will help bolster a privacy-protected Web3 persona. It's impossible to have DID on Ethereum because all of your personally identifiable data is public. But with Sapphire, you can verify your online identity for various use cases, like credit scores for loans, without publicizing your credit score. These are just 2 examples, but we also have confidential NFTs, which can now be built by Solidity developers, a more powerful social platform where the user is in control, in several different Web3 games. Question 3. What's the difference between Emerald, Cypher, and Sapphire? All 3 Oasis Network ParaTime share some key features, so it's no wonder that some of you are wondering what sets each one of them apart. First, Emerald is our non-confidential EVM ParaTime. It allows development in Solidity, which makes it easy for Ethereum developers to get started. Emerald also offers greater scalability than other L1s, higher transaction throughput, 99% lower fees than ETH, and cross-chain interoperability. Next is Cypher, our privacy-enabled ParaTime. Cypher utilizes a secure computing technology called a Trusted Execution Environment, or a TEE, which ensures that data remains confidential. This empowers developers to build privacy-enabled technology with confidential smart contracts. Last is Sapphire. Sapphire is the first confidential EVM runtime in the Web3 industry. It combines Emerald's scalability, throughput, lower fees, and cross-chain interoperability with Cypher's robust privacy-enabled smart contracts, making it our most exciting and innovative ParaTime by far. Both Sapphire and Cypher enable privacy, but the key difference between Sapphire and Cypher is the developer environments. Sapphire is EVM compatible, while Cypher is WASM compatible. If you want to learn more about Oasis's modular architecture, check out the link in the description below. Question 4. Do you have a Q3 and Q4 roadmap? Yes, we just published our roadmap. The big focus for the coming quarters is the launch of Sapphire. We're doing something that's never been done before by getting the first ever confidential EVM off the ground. Sapphire coming onto mainnet is a big deal because the ParaTime contract state is confidential by default, and contract call data can be confidential, making MEV 0. Sapphire also offers stronger security and integrity guarantees, owing to TEE and secure enclaves, and all this is available to Solidity developers and compatible with existing Ethereum developer tooling. There is almost no difference for developer experience and no difference for user experience compared to Ethereum. In general, our ParaTimes are in the spotlight. We will also be upgrading Cypher to enable WebAssembly-based confidential smart contract functionality. Inter-ParaTime communication will also be worked on, making the entire network more robust. Other improvements we're looking to make in Q3 and Q4 include stabilizing the Oasis SDK, making TEE performance improvements to support the latest GPUs, and releasing support for SGX v2 and DCAP-based attestation in an upcoming Oasis core release. You can read more in our blog post link below. Question 5. Will there be any hackathons for Sapphire? Yes, as a matter of fact, we've just launched the Keep It Confidential Sapphire Hackathon. Stay tuned for more details. Well, that wraps up this month's episode of Oasis Insights. We have some great new content in the works here at Oasis, so make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. If you have a question you'd like to see answered in the next episode of Oasis Insights, leave a comment below or head over to our subreddit or Discord and feel free to ask there. See you on the next episode of Oasis Insights.